Hello everyone, our Thursday is going to be a pretty nice day. We have a mix of sun and clouds in the forecast. We'll have patchy fog to start you off here. We'll be looking at temperatures warming to around 80 degrees in the afternoon, so a little bit cooler than the past couple of days. Certainly not complaining about that. It's going to be the coolest day of the whole forecast, so I would definitely enjoy our Thursday. It will be a pretty nice day. There is technically a very slim chance in the afternoon to pop a spotty shower, but that chance is so low that I wouldn't be worried about it here. I think we're going to be just fine. I do think it's a dry day. As we go into Friday, we'll start dry. We'll have increasing clouds and then the chance for a couple spotty to widely scattered showers, maybe a thunder shower as we go into Friday evening and afternoon. So that is something to keep in mind, but I would not change or cancel plans if you have outdoor activities Friday evening, because it will be very widely scattered in nature and it won't ruin your whole night there. And as we go into Saturday, look what happens to the temperature. See the rain chance Friday into Saturday, that's a warm front lifting in. It's going to bring in warmer and more humid air, so it's just going to feel really warm this weekend. Temperatures around 90 degrees, 92 on Sunday. And even that might be a little low. Some of the models are even warmer than that here. So it is going to be a very warm weekend ahead of us here. And we're talking hot temperatures, a heat wave coming here, as we'll have temperatures around 90 degrees through a good part of next week. Now is a good time to make sure that air conditioning is up and running and ready to go. You depend on it to work and get you through these hot days of the summer, and you want to make sure that your air conditioning is ready to go as we get ready for some more late summer hot weather ahead of us here. Thank you guys for checking out your latest forecast. Have a good day.